Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the new TRIGGErcmd Alexa skill called TRIGGErcmd Smart Home. There are a couple things that you'll want to know about. Well, first of all, how to find it. Go to Amazon, look for TRIGGErcmd, and then it's this new one called Smart Home, and you got to enable it on the right here. Right now, mine's already enabled, so I can't click enable. So first, let me show you how it works. I can do things like this. Alexa, turn on calculator.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off calculator.
Okay.
Now let me show you how I did that. I replaced the original, the original command was just calc, but I replaced it with a batch file that runs. Let's see. So when you run this command via Alexa, via her.
I don't know that one.
I'm sure. When you run commands via Alexa, in this new skill, it's going to send an on or off parameter if you have parameters set to true, which I do. So I made this batch file that if you send it a on parameter, it runs it. And if you send it a off parameter, it kills it. Let's see here. I'll show you that batch file. See if %1 is the first parameter is on, runs it. Off, it kills it. Notice usually a program will have the same command to run it versus kill it, or to the process name in this case is calculator.exe, but you run it with calc. That's kind of rare. I made it so that if you just run this without a batch or without a parameter, it actually runs it as well. But just FYI. Now, to make this work, you have to create some sort of script, that takes a parameter. Or if you don't allow parameters, it won't send an on or off as a parameter. It'll just run the command. So a lot of cases you don't even want to do an on or off, but you still have to say Alexa turn on this to have it run that. So one thing to be aware of though, because this is important, is if you make changes to this to one of your commands, then you have to rediscover everything. Like even if I change this to false, now I got to go back in here and discover my devices, because what it does is it deletes and recreates that command with a new ID, and Alexa remembers those IDs. So in a minute I can run it again, but now because I turned off the parameters, I won't be able to say Alexa turn off calculator. Alexa, turn on calculator.
Okay.
But yeah, the same thing will happen is if I say Alexa, turn off calculator.
Okay.
See, because now it's not sending a parameter because I turned off parameters. Whether you say on or off. Now, what else? Oh, the reason I can just say calculator instead of calculator on DS, which is the name of my computer, DS, is because DS is my default computer. Notice all my other devices have calculator on laptop. So I'd say, let me turn that off. Well, I might as well turn it off. Alexa, turn on calculator on laptop.
Okay.
So there you go. It would run, if my laptop was on, it would run calculator on my laptop right now. Now once in a while you're going to want to clear everything out, forget all, and rediscover, because you'll end up with like old commands in there as switches. So just so you know. That's about it. Thanks for watching.